literally 5 a.m. I'll show y'all the clock in a minute, but if I move this camera, I probably want to get this position back. But I've been up since 4, about 4:05, and I've showered and brushed my teeth, as y'all saw, and all that good stuff. But the good news is we are getting ready to go on a family vacation, literally in about an hour and a half. So I don't have a lot of time. We've got a lot to get done. But we're going to Orlando. We used to go all the time when I was a kid. But anyway, so we're taking my entire family, the grandparents, my mom. Hold on, let's see. We got my mom, my dad, my sister, both of my sisters. My sisters both have kids. One of my sisters is married. My babies, my husband, myself, and my son's girlfriend, and literally everybody. So, and we rented a house in, what do you call it? The Sorella community, I think is correct. Solterra community. It's a community strictly for Airbnb. You can't live there. We're actually going to meet with a real estate agent when we're down here to look at purchasing one, going maybe a family type business. But anyways, we'll talk about that another time, but I'm excited. I don't have a lot of time. I've got to get packing. What we're gonna do there, I don't know. There's a pool at the house, so of course we'll swim, we'll relax. I still have to get some work done. Hubby still has work to do. We're on vacation, but we're not on vacation, if that makes sense. So a lot of lounging by the pool. I wanna get some reading done, spend some quality time with the fam. My mom promised I could do her makeup, so we'll see if she really did let me do that when we get here. Spend some time with my hubby. I think we're going to, I don't know, y'all. There is no agenda, and my organization skills are going crazy because I want to plan out everything, but we have no plan. So, but anyways, that is enough about that. That's what we're doing on this trip. I've got to get to some stuff this morning. We got to pack. We got to get hair done. We got to, I don't know. I'll tell you about that in a minute. Let me get some coffee, and then we'll get started. So this is an app that I use. It's called Save Your Wardrobe. And I basically put in all of my outfits that, put in all the pieces that I wanted to take on the trip, and I could create outfits with them. You can have your whole closet on here, and then you just put the pieces together. It's really cool. This way I remember what I was gonna wear with what, make sure I pack everything. Really helpful. It also has a calendar feature so that I can see what I wore when. So like for next vacation, I don't repeat the same stuff, or, you know, for anything, a date night or whatever. So this is a really good app to use. And this is just, I wanted to get a couple more pieces to take with me on the trip. Some things that I just, once I get it in my head, I gotta get it. So this is a dress, a belt, a scarf, and a pair of slides that I wanted to have on the vacation. So I had it shipped to, you know what, we didn't choose a fragrance. I think I'm just gonna take Cartier, and probably the rest of this replica, and use this up on the trip before we get the bottle. Everything is all packed and we are about to head out the door. Alright y'all, I'm ready. Finally, everybody else is in the car. This is my little vacation fit. Ready today for the car ride. I'm Fashion Nova. I'm about to head to the car too. Okay, so we're trying to figure out packing. We got that bag.